video, I will be showing you two examples of static electricity and explaining what static electricity is and how it works. The first example of static electricity I will be showing you is a balloon moving an aluminum can across the floor using static electricity. For this, you need an empty aluminum can, a balloon, and a flat, hard surface. The first step you need to do is you need to blow the balloon up. Then you will need to tie the balloon off. The next thing you will need to do is you need to take the balloon and rub it on your hair for at least 15 seconds. Then put the aluminum can on the flat surface. Now put the balloon by the aluminum can. You will see that the balloon makes the aluminum can move across the floor using static electricity. In this experiment, I transferred electrons from my hair to the balloon. Rubbing the balloon against my hair completes the charge. The electrons on the balloon are now attracted to the protons in the aluminum can. Opposites attract. Here we have a balloon whose electrons have a negative charge, and the can's protons have a positive charge. When they get close to each other, the attraction means that the can will roll towards the balloon. My experiment also showed the example of an electric field. An electric field surrounds every electric charge and exerts the force that causes other electrical charges to be attached or repelled. In my next experiment, I will be showing you how a simple comb can move a piece of dry cereal using static electricity. You will need a comb, a 12-inch piece of thread, some tape, a Cheerio, and you also need a table for the Cheerio to hang from. First, you need to wash the comb to get rid of any oils and then dry it. Then you need to tie the piece of thread onto the Cheerio and hang it from the table. Next, you need to run the comb through your hair several times. Put the comb an inch or two away from the Cheerio. You will see that the Cheerio will move towards the comb. Watch again. A few seconds after the Cheerio hits the comb, it repels. Combing my hair moved electrons from my hair to the comb. The comb had a negative charge. The cereal was neutral and was attracted to it. When they touched, electrons slowly moved from the comb to the cereal. Now both objects have the same negative charge and the cereal was repelled. Both of these experiments share the concept of charge and flow. They each show how one object charges another object and how the charges flow to one another. In the first experiment, the balloon gets charged by the hair. The balloon then charges the aluminum can, so the aluminum can will move across the floor. In the second experiment, the hair charges the comb and then the comb charges the Cheerio. In the first experiment, you can see the flow of electrons go from the balloon to the aluminum can because the balloon is charged and it charges the can, so the can will move across the floor. In the second experiment, you can see the flow of energy go from the comb to the Cheerio because the Cheerio moves towards the comb.